Welcome to Fibocan's YouTube channel. You have done the right decision in your life by coming into Fibocan's YouTube channel. Who is Fibocan? Fibocan is a wealth enabler. How do we enable wealth? We enable wealth through training, coaching, mentoring, enabling students, investors to devise their own investment strategies through our comprehensive training programs and innovative investment strategies. So what do? We have published educational videos 1 to 16, module 1 to 16 in English and Tamil. The modules that start from basics of banking, capital market, investments, how to do investment, technical analysis, options, futures, then strategies of options and futures, and finally income tax on derivatives. To begin with, all these 16 modules are available both in English and Tamil. I would request you to go and select the appropriate playlist and watch all the videos and put your comments. So that is the step one. Every day we put videos about market commentaries. Please understand that we are not SEBI registered. Hence, we cannot give any recommendations. We will say whether it is looking good, technically sound, technically weak, has to be cautious. These kind of things we will give, but we will not give any price targets, or we will not give any stock recommendations. Only thing is that we are here to give technical education, imparting technical knowledge to anyone and everyone through our free educational videos, which we put every day on the daily markets, and during weekends we put about global markets. So I would request and encourage anyone in the age group of 17, 18, those who are studying in HSC, higher secondary or plus 2, to watch module 1 to 4, definitely either in English or Tamil, whichever language you understand out of these two languages. And anybody who is doing BA, BCom should watch up to module 8. And those who are doing MBA, CA, CFA or any professional or postgraduates should watch up to module 15. And for professional traders, it is ideally suited for them to watch module 16. I am sure that you will enjoy watching and enhancing your knowledge. Thank you very much. Today is February 12, 2024, Monday. So first the levels, then we go into the technical aspect of it and the power of technical analysis. Nifty, it closed at 19,918.50, 1.4% down. BankNifty 44,882.25, 1.65% down, while Nifty closed at 21,616.05, 0.76% down. So Nifty is now decisively below I wouldn't call decisively, but well below the 200-day simple moving average and exponential moving average. Today it formed a solid red candle. If you recollect, I had said on Friday that one were to look at the line chart, probably it might appear that kind of a double bottom, but we have to wait and see how the trend goes. So today, initially it just went up, then thereafter it was just one-way direction. So it is very clear that the trend is on a downward direction. Why? Because in the weekly chart, the exponential moving averages are sliding down and the price is going down nicely. And also, the last week's low is taken out decisively. Hence, don't expect any up move or big up move coming. Of course, there can be some small short covering rally tomorrow. But still, even if the short covering rally comes, first for Nifty, it has to take out the 200-day moving average, simple moving average and exponential moving average, and above which is the simple moving average, decisively. Otherwise there will be heavy selling pressure coming the moment it goes near that levels, because people are waiting to short at these levels. That's the power of technical analysis. BankNifty, on the other hand, it also formed a solid red candle. It is just below the simple moving average, 200-day simple moving average, but above the 200-day exponential moving average. So hence, BankNifty has some life in between, but again, it has to break any one direction decisively. But the way it is looking like, at least probably tomorrow we might have some sideways candle, but probably Wednesday, Thursday we can see how it goes. Nifty, on the other hand, it has now broken the 20-day exponential moving average and the Bollinger middle band, which is nothing but the 20-day simple moving average. It has broken these levels. It is just above the 50-day moving average. Now, Nifty is and BankNifty has only one support that is available, which is the 50-week simple moving average. That's the immediate support that I can see, because what happened in the monthly chart also, it has broken down the levels, and of course below which is the 20-month exponential moving average and Bollinger middle band in the monthly chart, which is well below. So those are the levels that are supports that are seen for, particularly for Fin Nifty. Fin Nifty looks the weakest of all of the indices. That is how it is. So overall, the fall has been significant, and hence, I have been cautioning people. Many analysts, people will come and say, "Oh, right time to buy, great time to buy." First they have to qualify themselves whether they are fundamental or technical. If they are fundamental, all they have to tell is it has to quote at this PE, it is quoting at this PE, and hence it is at a discount. That's all. They should not say that right time to buy, because they say nobody can time the market, because when they say it is difficult to time the market, they are saying it is for them, not for others, not for everyone. Okay. So one who is master in technical analysis, easily you can time the market. However, for small investors, again I would say that go to mutual funds or be an investor. Like mutual fund managers, just be an investor, because timing the market for everyone is not easy task. With that, let's go into the background. Banks, AU, HDFC Bank and ICICI Bank fell 1%. IDFC, IndusInd Bank, Kotak and SBI fell 2%. Bandhan Bank had a massive fall of 7%. If you recollect, anyone who is following me will know that since 2022 end onwards, I have been telling that Bandhan is looking weak. Suddenly some news will come, it will go up. For 1 week, 10 days, it will go up. Then suddenly it will start falling. Then it will go up. But the long-term trend is down. And this year, it has decisively broken all the levels. Hence, one has to be extremely careful. I have been telling for quite some time. Yes Bank, because it made big up moves, it had a fall today of 10%, because overall the market is falling. Yes Bank also fell, but Yes Bank still we have to wait and see if it breaks below the 25 levels. If it doesn't break below that, the up move is intact as far as Yes Bank is concerned, because it has taken out the levels of 24.5, 25.1, which was acting as a resistance for quite some time decisively. On the financials, Bajaj wins 1% down, Chola and Muthoot 2% down, IDFC, L&T Finance, M&M Finance and Shriram 3% down, L&T Finance and Manappuram 5% down. On the insurance and cards, HDFC Life, ICICI General, SBI Cards 1% down, ICICI Pru 3% down, LIC 5% down. LIC made a big move, right? That's why it fell. SBI, if you recollect, I had told on Friday. What did I tell? People, I would request people to watch my video again. See, I'm not a SEBI registered analyst, hence I cannot give price targets, but I can tell only technically what happens, what will happen, why it is happening, what will happen, why it will happen. So what did I tell? It has gone up significantly, and the 3 straight green candles it has formed. Chances of forming a falling 3 methods, that is possible, I said. Precisely that is what had happened, and SBI formed the first reversal above the Bollinger upper band. Of course, as I have told many times, the first reversal has to be ignored. We have to wait for the second reversal. Probably the third reversal is a confirmed reversal. Anyway, that's for a different day altogether. Oil and Telecom, Reliance 1% down, Bharti remained flat. On the IT, Birlasoft 1% down, Intellect had a big fall of 5%, LTIM 1% up, Wipro 2% up, all others remained sideways. Had it not been IT today and Pharma to some extent, Nifty would have fallen severely. So IT saved the day for Nifty. On the consumer goods, Bata, Berger, Colpal, DMart, HUL 1% down, PVR and ITC 2% down, ABFRL had a big fall of 4%. Trent again up by 1%. So last week, the Trent moved around 18-20% overall. On the automobiles, Ashok Leyland 1% down, Hero Motors 4% down, Motherson 5% down, Bharat Forge Post is itself 14% down, Eicher Motor and M&M 1% up. On the metals, Hindalco 1% down, Jindal and Vedanta 2% down, Tata Steel 3% down, NMDC and coal 5% down, National Aluminium big fall of 9%. On the health and pharma, Thyrocare fell 5%, Metropolis 1% up, Divis 2% up, Apollo Hospitals and Dr. Reddy 3% up. In the others category, L&T, Adani Enterprise, Havells, Indigo, Jubilant Food 1% down, DLF and MCX 3% down, IRCTC big fall of 4%, APL, Apollo and Polycab moved up by 1%, IndiaMart 2% up, Zomato 3% up. With all these things, so what do we expect for option expiry for Fin Nifty tomorrow? See, it's on a significant downtrend. The trend is clearly down. Okay, don't expect miracles. Okay, people say no, I hope. There is no question of hope here. It is or it is not. Okay, so on the resistance side, Nifty, FinNifty faces the first resistance at 100-day simple moving average, which is at 2295. That's a big resistance. Below which is the 200-day simple moving average, 200-day exponential moving average. All are below these levels. So hence, if you were to tell from these levels, first is the 200-day exponential moving average, then above which is the 200-day simple moving average, above which is the 100-day simple moving average, which is at 2295. That is a very good resistance one can think of. As far as the downward side is concerned, the support is concerned, it is very difficult, but still what I feel is that the 50-week simple moving average is the first level of support that is available. If that is also broken down, then the next level is Bollinger lower band on the daily chart, which is at 19671. If that is also broken, God only can help, because next level of support that I can see is the Bollinger middle band in the monthly chart, which is at 19188. So I don't think that will happen that way, unless otherwise dramatic negative something happens overnight. Thank you very much.